It's for somebody special. Yeah, can't wait it out tonight.
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreams.
You like the akara? You want more? Bye. What do you say?
Thank you.
You need four.
Thank you.
Okay. You want akara?
Yes.
Say hello. I'll bring your plate. Let me put this one for you, but it's very hot. Bring your plate. It's very, very hot, so be careful.
Okay.
Bye. You're welcome. Guys, I'm so happy. I'm finally done. Don't mind my messy glasses. My glasses are messed up. I had some issues along the way while I was blending. My blender developed a fault. I started panicking, but when I calmed down a bit, I was able to think clearly and remember that I had another small cup, so for dry stuff. So I was able to remove the parts from there and use it in the blender. So that was what I was able to finish, but it really delayed me. The time should be around 10 o'clock. I entered this kitchen around 6 something. So I want to eat now. Today is Saturday. Like I said in my previous video, every Saturday we eat either moi moi or akara, but today I decided to do both, so that we'll have moi moi for akara for breakfast, and then moi moi maybe for tomorrow or whenever, sometime during the week, and also any other time. So I'm practically done now. It's time to go and take my bath and take the kids to do their hair. I'll see you guys later. See you, Mom.